The Huawei Mate 70 series is on its way, and today we've got some exciting leaked information about its back cover, revealing key design changes and features. A tipster on Waymo at Beijing Digital Master shared images of the Mate 70's back cover, giving us our first look at the flagship's upcoming design. Let's dive into what we can expect. The first thing that stands out in the leaked images is the back cover's cyan pastel shade, giving the phone a refreshing and modern appearance. The matte finish adds a subtle elegance to the device, making it a bit more premium compared to previous models. The Mate 70 branding is printed on the plastic wrapper of the cover, so it's clear we're looking at an official piece of the puzzle. One of the biggest takeaways from this leak is the redesigned camera bump. The back cover shows a big raised circular camera module, which immediately grabs attention. The outer rim of the camera bump is wider compared to the Mate 60 series, but it appears that the thickness has been reduced, giving it a sleeker profile. The external rim of the camera bump shines in silver, which contrasts nicely with the rest of the matte finish. What's interesting is that the inner circle of the camera module looks similar to the Mate 60 series, but some fans believe that the camera arrangement might be more in line with the older Mate 50. Whether this will be the case remains to be seen, but it's clear that Huawei is making some changes to the overall camera design. Another notable change in the Mate 70 design is the frame. The leak shows that the new phone will have a more flat, right-angle frame, which differs from the slightly curved design of its predecessors. This shift gives the phone a more modern, edgy look, and though it may not be a drastic change, it's one that consumers will definitely notice. The back cover also shows rounded corners and slim edges, making the phone look sleek and easy to hold. The overall design tweaks seem to be focused on refining the aesthetics, giving the Mate 70 series a sharper and more defined appearance. One of the most exciting details from this leak is the confirmation of a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The power button located just below the volume rockers is open, which strongly suggests that the standard variant of the Mate 70 will feature a side fingerprint unlocking solution. This is a big change from the previous models, and it seems Huawei is catering to users who prefer this method of unlocking. However, it's also likely that the higher-end models, such as the Pro Plus and Ultimate design variants, will continue to feature an optical fingerprint scanner embedded under the display. So, users will still have the option to choose between these two biometric systems depending on the model they opt for. Another interesting tidbit from the leak is the possibility of the Mate 70 series offering a 3D face recognition system. This feature is expected to complement the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, giving users an additional layer of security and convenience. As for the camera, rumors suggest that Huawei has been testing new OmniVision lenses for the Mate 70 series. While we don't know much about the specifics yet, it's exciting to think about what new capabilities these lenses could bring to Huawei's already impressive camera technology. Beyond the design changes, the Mate 70 series is expected to feature some significant internal upgrades. Two of the most anticipated additions are the new Kirin 5G chip and the latest version of Huawei's operating system, HarmonyOS Next. These upgrades will likely provide a big boost in performance and user experience, making the Mate 70 series a powerful contender in the flagship market. While we don't know everything about the new series yet, the leak suggests that Huawei is gearing up to launch this flagship lineup very soon, possibly as early as next month. As always, stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch of the Huawei Mate 70 series.